The Director General of Police, L.R. Bishnoi, informed that 5 persons were arrested who were part of an unorganized gold smuggling network. A 24-carat gold biscuit of foreign origin worth approximately Rs 50 lakhs, weighing around 0.8 kg, and 10 mobile phones were recovered. Bhoi police conducted Naka checking at NH06 Nongpo opposite to Nongpo police station based on source information that some person travelling from Shillong towards Assam is carrying a consignment of smuggled gold. Addressing a press conference today, he said an interstate gang is operating to smuggle gold from Bangladesh to India. He said that the gold smuggling route is from Bangladesh to Meghalaya to Guwahati to Siliguri and the rest of India. The arrest of 5 people has unearthed a nexus between Assam and Meghalaya criminals.
We have arrested 5 people, namely Abu Bekar from Barpeta district of Assam, Aziz Lingdo from Dhobi Ghat Laban of Shillong, Sahanja again of Barpeta Assam, and one lady Subalin Kharbani from Mavlai district of Shillong, and one Muhammad Sadiq Ali again of Barpeta of Assam. And the operation started on long back on 24th June, and yesterday only successfully operation was concluded after the arrest of Muhammad Sadiq Ali, the last accused wanted in this case. So we have seized 7 number of biscuits, gold biscuits, each biscuit weighing 117 gram. So total weight is 819 gram, and this is a 24 carat pure gold. And the market cost of these biscuits as on today is approximately 50 lakh rupees.
A multi